Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we'll be doing the daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and mark the support and resistance levels for today's price action. And when we look at the economical events plan for today is Wednesday, October 5th. We have Chinese bank holiday. At 6:30 am we have high impact news planned for New Zealand dollar, and at 5:45 pm we have high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Again at 7:35 pm we have high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Let us look at the trend in dollar index before starting with the gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame of DXY. We have noticed the dollar index to be in a very strong bullish trend so far, and it had found resistance at this trend line or the resistance line, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on a bearish side retracement. It is not a trend reversal, it is only a retracement as long as the price action is trading above this support line or the black color trend line. So still we have some more space for the DXY to retrace back on the bearish side. It has already broken the previous high, which was around 110, and it is still continuing its bearish trend. Next support is going to be around 108, which was the previous high in the past price action. Again, when we look at the price action in hourly time frame, here also it is very clear that the current price action in hourly time frame is also trading within a bearish channel pattern, and it is in a very strong bearish trend. Next support is going to be around 109, and also we have the daily time frame trend line or the support line, and only when the price action breaks this black color support line, it will be a bearish trend reversal in hourly time frame also for dollar index. Currently it is on a bearish trend and it is on a bearish side retracement, not a trend reversal. And once the price action breaks this bearish channel pattern resistance line, it will be the bullish side trend reversal in hourly time frame. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, we have noticed a price action to bounce back from this resistance line in the past and retrace up to this bearish channel pattern support line. Currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So in the past we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement every time it tested this resistance line, and currently we are noticing the price action to test this resistance line. Let us wait and see if it is going to bounce back on the bearish side retracement, which means we have to wait for today's candle to close to get the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal in daily time frame. And when we ask the question whether the bullish side trend reversal has started, the answer is no. The bullish trend reversal has not started. It has only made the retracement up to the previous high. The whole bearish trend started from this level of 1803. So it has to break this high in order to have a bullish side trend reversal. Currently it is finding resistance around the resistance level of 1732. We can expect little bit of retracement on the bearish side, but only when the price action breaks the support zone between 1700 to 1680, we can expect the further fall on the bearish side. Otherwise we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in daily time frame also. And once the price action breaks the resistance level of 1800, it will be the confirmation on the bullish side trend reversal in daily time frame. So currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1736 to support level of 1710. And if the price action bounces back from this bearish channel pattern resistance line from the daily time frame, next level of support is going to be around 1710. And only when the price action breaks this support level, we can expect it to retest at the support zone between 1700 to 1680. And only when the price action breaks this support zone, it will be the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal in daily time frame. And as long as the price action is trading above this support zone, it will be the continuation of the bullish side retracement in daily time frame. And once the 1680 is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1675, 1661, 1643 and 1615. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1736, next level of resistance is going to be around 1768. So currently the price action in daily time frame is only on a bullish side retracement. It is not a bullish trend reversal in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame. Again I am drawing a bullish channel pattern, and based on this bullish channel pattern we are noticing the price action to find resistance on this bearish channel pattern resistance line from the daily time frame, and also from the bullish channel pattern resistance line from the 4 hours time frame. So if the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement, next level of support is going to be around 1710, and if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1700, and only when the price action breaks this bullish channel pattern support line, it will be the continuation of the bearish side retracement in 4 hours time frame. And as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, it will be the continuation of the bullish trend in 4 hours time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. So in hourly time frame we can clearly see that the price has bounced back on the bearish side retracement from this resistance line of the 4 hours time frame bullish channel pattern and the resistance line of the daily time frame bearish channel pattern. This is a very strong resistance zone in hourly time frame. So as usual, I will recommend you to draw a trend line or a support line to understand the current trend of the price action. And as long as the price action is trading above this trend line or the support line, it will be the continuation of the bullish trend in hourly time frame. Wait for the price action to break this black color support line in order to take trades on the bearish side retracement. But still the current trend of the price action is in a bullish trend as long as it is trading within this bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1726 and support level of 1713. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1713, next level of support from the higher time frame is going to be around 1710, 1700, 1685, 1680, 1675 and 1660. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1726, next level of resistance is going to be around 1736, 1744 and 1767. Currently the price action in hourly time frame is on a bearish side retracement. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, again it is taking support on the trend line or support line from the hourly time frame, and it is trading above this support line. As long as the price action is trading above this support line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. Wait for the price action to break this trend line in order to take trades on the bearish side retracement. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Presently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1727 and support level of 1721. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1721, next level of support is going to be around 1714, 1707 and 1700 and 1794. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1727, next level of resistance is going to be around 1736, 1747, 1762 and 1767. And as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame, it will be the bullish trend in 30 minutes time frame also. And once the price action breaks this daily time frame resistance line of the bearish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1726 and support level of 1720. And if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1715, 1710, 1704 and 1700. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1726, next level of resistance, it's going to be around 1735. For remaining levels, please refer the higher time frame resistance levels. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.